In this lesson, first we are going to navigate to the commit history, and from commit history we are going to select any particular commit which will show us the state of the repository against that particular commit. I have the sample repository sample-git-project, and I'm going to navigate to the commit history by clicking this commits button or link. Now here I have all the commits. Let me scroll down to go to the oldest commit, click older. Now if I scroll down, this is my oldest commit. If you notice over here, the branch that is selected is master. We can select any particular branch. For the time being, I'm sticking with master, and this is my very first commit. And if I go to this particular button, it says browse the repository at this point in the history. So if I click over here against this particular commit, we can view the state of the repository, whatever the files are there. I can see the pom.xml is there, and inside the source directory I have a single file. So this is the point of time in history where we have moved, and we can see the state of the repository. And if you notice here, it is not showing any particular branch, so it is showing the state of the repository against the commit that we have made, against the commit ID. From here, if we want to go to the current state, what we can do, we can click on the sample git project icon, and we are back. It shows the master now. So in this way, using the commit history, we can kind of time travel inside a repository against a particular commit.